dive deep into the darkness in your heart.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Future Gateway. Today it's a fifth tutorial on Microsoft Excel course. In this tutorial I will show you how to find empty cells in a table. So if you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss important videos of our channel. So let's open Excel. Let's say I have this table and I want to find the empty cell in this table, like here this cell is empty, this cell is empty, this cell is empty. So how I will find these empty cell? It is very simple. Just follow this video. Just press an equal sign right here, press an equal sign and write count blank. Here you will see count blank. Click on the count blank and select this range, right? Close the bracket and press the enter. You will see here they give me 3, right? It means that there are 3 cells empty in this table. So let's see how many cells are empty. 1, 2, 3. It means it is correct. So this was the way to find empty cells in a table, right? Now I want to find the numbers in this table, right? Like how many cells are filled. So it is also very simple. Just press an equal sign and write count. So when I click on this count and I select this range, right, and close the bracket, it show me 13, right? So it means 13 cells are filled in this table. It is a 4x4 matrix, so it means there are 16 cells, and 16 cells, 13 cells are filled by numbers and 3 cells are empty. So this was how to find empty cells in a table. So stay tuned for the next tutorial and thank you for watching.
Can I dive deep